Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Run.dll error in Windows. So for fixing it, you just need to go to your search tab and just open your file manager. So open my computer, go to local disk, system disk here, and just here you choose users, choose your user. So also you need to go to view, to tab view, and just here you choose show hidden items. You need to show hidden items. So here you choose your user, and here you will find app data. You open app data, open local, and in local you need to find a folder with name temp, and you just need to choose everything here. Just click on Ctrl and A, or select by mouse every file, and just right click and choose delete. So do this for all current items and just click continue. So also you can see the action can't be completed because the file is open in Microsoft OneDrive. So this file we can't delete because it's also in usage in one program. So we just choose do this for all current items, and we skip these all files that are currently used in some programs. So here you can see that also we deleted every file. Also only one we can't delete this file, so we just left him. So I hope that this will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.